yun.
muna.
Yes.
Louie, ano tong mga to? Naku,
Okay.
dapat bigyan mo rito si Lucy Torres Gomez dahil yan laging nawawala.
Lagi mo nawawala. Okay.
Walang direksyon ng babae niya.
Actually, these are skills naman for the outdoor. Now, with a compass, madali lang din siya gamitin. Helps you navigate your area. Then again, may kailangan din know-how to. Pero just the basic direction kung saan yung north, south. Usually, north is sa nakatulog.
So, north yan.
North yan. Okay? So, isa yan sa mga skills na pwede matutunan. Sometimes we organize mga ganun camps and experiences for kids para you get to learn these skills, paano mag-navigate. Okay?
Itong flashlight.
Flashlight. Flashlight is normally with a knife. Okay? Ito. Because sa yung sources mo limited to do. You can only cut as much as you dare, invent, or buy. Okay? Pero wala kang cutting and you cannot glow. Diba? So, in case mo wala ka, you have light and knife, a better chances to survive outdoor. Or kahit na dito hanggang nag-power out yung mall, at least may flashlight ka. Yes.
And then,
Okay.
dog tag.
Dog tags. Okay, medyo nauuso nga rin ito ng fashion statement, no? Okay. Yet dog tags should always be, kung meron, always be worn. Okay, kasi tulad sa akin, nandito yung blood type ko,